see my entry in musical world, if I say, when I was a kid of 4 years, I have started learning music since then. So that was the entry. I don't know last when I left music, in which age, maybe last, and it may be a rebirth, because it's not a story of one life, music, as I believe. Okay, in films, I have started from Calcutta. That was 1960, when I landed Calcutta. From there, one gentleman, Shri Radheshyamji Jhunjhunwala, who made originally Bengali film Savarnarekha, then Hindi Parichay, old Parichay, that was Pranati Bhattacharya and Pradeep Ghosh and Abhi Bhattacharya. So he brought me to Bombay.
It is by Ritik Ghatak?
Bengali, no, I didn't do it. Bahadur Khan Sahab and Ritik Ghatak was the director. It was a Bengali film. But I joined from there. Then we did 2 films in Calcutta. One was Kranti, another was Balidan. Bengali and Hindi, double version.
In Calcutta, you stay in Calcutta?
Yes, I was there for about 10 years. Then I finally came to Bombay in 69, September 19th. And my film career started in Hindi films from there, which was 71, 14th of January. The first song I recorded in Shri Muhammad Rafi's voice. And then personally that song still not in the market. I'll be compiling my songs which are not used in film. So I'll be trying to make a collection, golden melodies of my career.
Okay. Have you had formal study of Hindustani music or any other music?
Yes. Since 4 years when I was a rather infant. From that age, I started Hindustani classical, Indian classical. I don't distinct it South Indian, also Indian. It is also Hindustani. Both the side Hindustani music, right? So I started with
any Bengali Rabindra Sangeet?
Yes, Rabindra Sangeet. For Rabindra Sangeet specially, I went to Calcutta to know Tagore, and there were many of the composers, Qazi Nazrul Islam, then Rajnikant, D.L. Rai. They were all the composers worked so nicely, Bengali compositions. Then from Rafi Saab's song, the second song I recorded in Kishore Das voice. That was the Ghungru Ki Taraf Aisa Hi Rahun, most popular song of mine.
And tell us about your association with KJ Yesudas also. Any memorable events during the composition of the music of Chitchor?
Yes. Yesudas was recommended by Basu Bhattacharya.
Director.
Right. Basu Bhattacharya made one film called Anand Mat, where Yeshu sang some shlokas. So I was looking for a voice for Amol Palekar in Chitchor. So Vasudha suggested me. Vasudha called me home and he made me hear. I heard Yeshudas's voice. It was just marvelous. And it was so, tailor-made for Amol Palekar, And of course, Yeshu took pains to learn Hindi. Pronunciation, but he has a very strong pickup,
I think before that, Yesudas has sung in films of Salil Chaudhary.
Still afterwards,
Afterwards. And Saath Hindustani.
Janeman.
On Saath Hindustani.
No, I know. My film was the first Hindi film, which was the major hit. Yashdas' songs. Still people remember. You see, you marked it today also.
Also, tell us about the composition of the song Gori Tera Gav Bada Pyar. For that song, you got the national award?
No, I didn't get the national award for the song. National appreciation I had.
Yeah.
And that is the biggest award for me.
Yeah. And
I consider today's award is the biggest award because it is from a composer. It's not the award only. It is a blessing. She was telling about him, Shri Devarajanji. So Yeshu sang some of his compositions I was hearing. So it was just great, you know. And it was very traditional sort of music. And award, of course, we are getting regularly some of the organizations, but I was from a composer, on a composer's name, you see. It's a big achievement.
When we hear...
Yeshu told me he make my songs, he sang in the presence of Devarajanji, and he appreciated. Yeshu told me he appreciated my compositions. Tansen also he sang for him. Right.
When we hear your songs, we will get a feeling of the countryside. Please comment.
Yes.
That Gauka.
Folk tunes. What do you want to know?
Gori Tera also.
Okay, Gori Tera Gaon. Actually, Gori Tera Gaon Bada Pyar. These are the notes, not exactly tune. I haven't copied the tune, but I have picked up the notes, and from Assam and Kumaon, both the places, these notes are used in folk. गोरी तेरा गाँव बड़ा प्यारा, मैं तो गया मारा, आके यहाँ रे, उस पर रूप तेरा सादा, चंद्रमा जो आधा जवारे. And today I sang, ये तेरा केरल बड़ा प्यारा, मैंने तो दिल हारा, आके यहाँ रे. You
also write instant lyrics.
Right. सागर प्यारा प्यारा, लहरें जवां रे, लहरें जवां.
And one more thing. Tell us about some nostalgic moments you find with our famous poet director and lyricist, the late P. Bhaskaran, and your album P. Bhaskaran. And your album Avani Puchandu.
Odam, na?
Yeah.
You are
especially Vanamulya Putittam. The song by Yesudas ji.
Yes. We recorded songs here only.
Yeah.
I came here and I composed here, and Yeshu helped me out in lyrics.
In Tarangani series.
Tarangani, right. Tarangani. Now, songs are not in my mind now at the moment, but songs were very good.
The lyricist was the P. Bhaskaran ji.
All right.
He passed away.
He passed away. Okay, oh my God, And for then Sujata I composed Malayalam.
In Sujata.
Kalidasasya Kavya Bhavane.
What is your
Taliku, Piliku, and one song which was sung by Hema. आश्रित वत्सल ने कृष्णा अभयम नीयरुलु आश्रित बांधव ने कृष्णा अभयम नीयरुलु అభయముని అరుడు ఆశ్రిత బాంధవ ఆశ్రిత వలసలనే.
What is your opinion about giving tune first and then writing the lyrics to suit the tune? What is your
I work both the ways. When I work with the other poets, as Sahil Ludhianvi ji or Majroor Sahab or any other poet, so I give them liberty to write first, because they have their set meters, no? Or if any dance number or any variation of chand, then I compose the tune first. That's right.
And another question. Salil Chowdhury and Ravindraji were the North Indian composers popular among Keralites. Your comment about the style of composition of Salil Chowdhury and his influence of folk music in his film music.
Salil did some of the films here, no?
Yeah.
And Raviji also. And Raviji also.
Yeah, Raviji also done. Ravindraji, I told you and Salil.
Me, okay. See, Salilda had a very typical style of working. He crossed notes, jumping notes, and it was very lively. And orchestra, he was master of orchestration, especially background music,
The interlude and
interlude and backgrounds. Many of us, we have copied him, right? And he was very...
You met him anytime?
Oh, he loved me so much. So we met in Calcutta only. When I was in Calcutta. So, and later in Bombay also. He was a great composer, and Bengali lyrics,
He
was very strong, very strong.
And a playwright also.
Very right.
And did you anytime adopt the melody of folk music in your composition?
Yes, many times. Folk and classical. And my decorum is arrangement of music. I go by Western theory, and my main melody I keep Indian soul of the melodies. That's Indian.
Your comment about Western music?
Western is, of course, very good. Arrangement, orchestration, harmony, and they put in a very beautiful manner. So nothing to hide. Why to hide?
Yeah.
Music has no barrier. Huh?
And your comment about the style of composition of music of the late O.P. Nayarji?
No, I don't go in their style. I don't fit in there. I have my own small things to say, I try. And in lyrics also, I tried new thoughts, new fresh things, In this program, Shri Kishan Sharma ji accompanied me, who announced my program today. He is a very senior announcer of Ved Bharati, and comparing my shows since a long time.
And
composing music in other Indian
I hope
languages.
people in...
And tell us about the music of film Vivah, released in 2006. The song Mujhe Hak Hai.
Mujhe Hak Hai is being popular.
Sung by
Udit Narayan, Shreya Ghoshal.
Shreya Ghoshal was a super hit.
Yes. The film is doing very well.
Yeah.
In North, have you seen the film?
Not seen, but I knew it from the website.
I wish I could serve Kerala also with my tune. No, not released yet?
No.
Okay. It's a beautiful movie, very neat and clean, very traditional, very graceful, and music is just tells the story of the film. Nothing out of film.
And is Pamela Jain your relative?
Call me whenever you need me here.
Yeah, okay. If you could kindly give your mobile.
I would love. You know, provincial music has a different color, and if you blend north, south, it comes different.
You also sung in Vivah, that Tere Dwara.
No, that is Sudesh Bhosle. I have just sung a portion of it. Vivaha Shivaha, there's high notes. I have sung it.
Is Pamela Jain your relative?
Pamela Jain is a girl from Bhilai. She is working in Bombay now. Many of these films she has sung. She is working for me, for others also. Yes, in Vivaha she has sung a duet with Shreya.
Could you please say something about the news that in a song you had selected Manna Dey ji instead of Yeshdas ji to sing along with Rafi Sahib? Is it any time happened?
No, Manada and Rafi Sahib has not sung me together for me. Separate they have sung. Yes. Manada is a very learned, thorough, learned person and very deep knowledge of music. Manada
Sahib was here last year.
Achha, okay, he came here.
Yeah, he came here.
He sang for you all?
He sung for the Travancore royal family.
Oh.
And tell us about your new film.
My new films are कुछ कहना है, चैतन्य महाप्रभु, और वो हमारे बीच रहा, and प्यार की कोई सीमा नहीं, then one Keka animation film,
Serial TV.
Serial also I am doing Sai Baba, Prithviraj Chauhan, Krishna Kathaएं, then Durga. Now we are starting Durga.
Jai Hanuman you have done.
Which one Jai Hanuman I have done? Krishna I have done, Ramayana I have done.
Ramayana sir.
Yes, Mega serials, all Mega serials.
And we know that
for Raj Kapoor ji I have done RK films. That one was Ram Teri Ganga Meli, and there was Hina. That was a unique experience to work with Shri Raj Kapoor ji. It's a great achievement. Yes, he was so much engrossed in music.
We know that you could not see. How you are able to compose music with this disability given by God? Please excuse me if this question hurts you.
No, not at all. Let me tell you, disability increased ability. Increases the ability always. You see, you are more towards your aim. You can concentrate better. Eyes divided you, no? They divide you to certain things, you know. Yes, no. So you see, ultimately your brain has to work, right?
Yeah.
Either see through eyes or through ears. You got to know things, no?
Yeah.
You have to train your brain. That's it. So hearing also helps the same.
How you imagine the music scenes, the film scenes?
Music doesn't require eyesight. Yes.
Background score.
It is the inner sight.
The background score also, how you put?
Yes, I do my background score. I ask my assistants to take the timing of the full scenes, film and the dialogue and the mannerism and the locale, you see. Then I go by seconds, by bar to bar I work. And it is so accurate. If you happen to see the Vivaha, you will love the background also. Yes.
Tell us how you could recite lyrics and compose music instantly.
That's the inspiration from the people, from the atmosphere. I go there blank, you know. I just leave like that. What comes from there, I just recite it. Nothing of mine.
In film music also you do like that?
I do many times I do like that. It just occurred in a moment. It's a flickering, you know, it's an enlightenment rather.
And your message to music lovers?
They should pick up the music. They should sing or they should appreciate singers. So the harmony, you know, life will go very soothing and harmony will not be disturbed. Yes, music is such a fine thing. On the earth, I can say it is the best thing available, and which keeps you calm, quiet, peaceful and happy,
Yeah.
There's no time to quarrel,
Yes.
And there's no time. I don't. I always say it's not worth it.
Yeah.
You should love people. You should love music. You should. It all leads to God.
What about your son?
Son is because he came after 14 years of a marriage. So he is now 11 years. Just completed 11 in this month. 9th March was his birthday, and he has finished the exams yesterday.
Yeah.
He 6th standard he is studying and learning piano and vocal also, and he is very rhythmic. And my better half, Divya, I share this award with her, with my entire family, and innumerable friends of mine I share. Yes, thank you very much.
Did you ever meet Devarajanji?
Who?
Devarajanji?
No, I haven't come across. He last year he passed away, no?
Yeah. Yes.
But through my compositions I rest to him. Yashodas sang my composition, Tansen, Chichur, many of my compositions. Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.
What should I care for a coffee, tea?
No, we don't.
Dinner?
No, nothing.
What should I?
Only your presence is. It's a blessing.
Thank you very much.
A blessing.
You can just count on me whenever you need me, sir.
Okay.
Okay, dear.